What's going on, family? Welcome back to Quiche Money Vibes. For those who don't know me, my name is Makisha Styles. I love what I do. I love being able to help new Forex traders, binary traders, crypto traders, new stockholders, everything. I just love helping out new beginners, especially when I know that you're excited about creating your own economy. That's some powerful stuff to me. Also, as well, a little personal about me, best auntie ever, right? Breast cancer survivor, Army vet. And like I said, I just love what I do. I love helping people. So today's video, because I've been showing you all for the last couple of weeks the different strategies that we have. Because I've been coming across a lot of people's like, hey, I'm a little busy. I don't really have time to just really learn how to trade. But what if you can just copy it? You're going to copy this, get your profit, and then once you get enough profit, you'll have plenty of time to just sit back and just learn this now. Because we don't want you to become dependent upon copy and pasting. We actually want you to be independent on this stuff. So today's training is going to be all about HFX or binary options is what a lot of people know about, right? So just like with Forex, just like with crypto, we have scanners for that. We also have them for binary options, some powerful stuff. So right now you're looking at this, you're like, oh my God, what is this even meaning? Because your eyes are not focused, right? Your eyes are not focused on it. You're like, I don't really know what this is. It's foreign language. So for one, remember, we have a whole binary options academy that's going to go over the technicalities of it and really get you the fundamentals. But remember, while you're doing that, I still want to get you making some money in binary options. So that's why I had this scanner here. So imagine, just focus your eyes, just focus. See this long, see this long red counter, you see that? And this word up here says sell, 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 red candle, sell, red candle. Down here, it's a blue, buy, buy, blue candle. So let's say, for instance, you're not knowing a thing about binary options. All you know is that, hey, I could press call or the put button, I could press buy or sell, I could press red or blue. All right, so say, for instance, you came right back here. This stuff is already, I didn't have to create this. It's an AI system for this. It created and told me exactly the perfect, darn near perfect moments to buy and sell. And it also tells me the pair. So up to the right-hand side, you see here your NZD. Actually, that's the same pair we talked about in another video, isn't it? So you got your NZD. So you came over here, you saw this arrow form. It was like buy. I'm like, okay, cool. But is it really a buy though? Then you see here, because there's different qualifications to take this trade, it's above this blue line. And look at that. It says buy. Whoa. And look at here. It is a blue candle. So imagine with you not knowing anything but how to read buy and sell, and you saw this candle forming, and you hit the blue button. What would happen? Blue means buy, which means that you were correct and you just made money. You just paid a bill. And that was just copying into your binary, right? So imagine, all right, we're moving. Go over here. We got a long candle here. You see this sell popped up and boom, you was like, I'm gonna hit that red button because I know red means sell. That's not knowing anything. What happens? Oh my God, look at that. Boom. All right. It's crazy. It's crazy. Say for instance, you came over here. You might have lost it. It's not depending on when you got in. But either way, you just had 2 winning trades. So out of 3, you would have went, was that 3 and 1? I forgot how the number's supposed to work. But you would have took 3 trades, but already won 2. Because you already paid your bill over here. But this long, yeah, you paid a bill over here. You paid a what's a expensive one? A car note. You paid a car note. Well, depending on the size of your car note. You paid a couple of car notes over here, right? Depending on the size of everything. Come over here, same thing. Sell, red arrow. Oh, look at that. And it still drops some more. Buy, blue, you bought it. Same thing. And it's just telling you when to buy and when to sell. If you're like, man, I don't know, this still seems a little difficult, Keisha, I'm not sure. No worries, because you know why? We have actual live educators that explain this and break it down for you, where you know exactly what criteria to take to know that it's going to be just a near great trade, right? Because we can't predict that everything's going to be perfect. We can't predict the market. If so, hey, all of us would be trillionaires, right? But we can't predict it. But what we can do is help you minimize your risk and help you take the most profitable trades. That's what we do. And that's just with this one. We have other words as well. So up here at strategies, got a simple scalper. All right. And remember, it's going to look like foreign language. You're going to be like, oh my God, what is this? But don't worry, because we have videos that tell you exactly how to use it. But you already know that red means sell pretty much, right? You're already halfway there. Here's another one. This is going to look like true foreign language to you, especially if you don't know anything about like Bollinger Bands, anything like that. And the clouds, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, I know. Looks like foreign language. But don't worry, because we have trainings that show you how to do it. But as you know, my favorite, all right, I have my favorites. And remember, I like to keep things super simple. Super simple. Trading made simple. So when you're trading binary options, ain't nothing like saying a buy button and a sell button. Perfect, right? So for those of you actually want to learn the strategy though, all you would do is come back over to our live educators. So the other day we talked about Forex, we talked about cryptocurrency, we're going to start talking about drop shipping. It's like your one-stop shop academy. So when you pay money to go to like a college, right? You got to decide what you want to major in, and maybe that's not going to work out when you graduate. Just, it becomes a little stressful. Then you got to pay back this big loan. It gets crazy. But this academy here, you get to choose. You're like, hey, maybe I want to major in Forex. Maybe I want to major in binary options. Maybe I want to do crypto. Well, heck, maybe I want to do all four because I like having just multiple streams of income, right? I like making money in my sleep. So I want to do all of it, right? That's what this is. It's your all-in-one academy. So many millionaires has been created through this academy, and it's so simple. It makes things simple. So we're going to come over here and look at the binary, because I could talk about the academy all day long. I just so grateful for this academy. It has really changed a lot of lives, including mine as well. So we got different educators. Look at that. We got females, different backgrounds, right? Different nationalities, just a lot of different ones. So if you're like, hey, I'm not vibing with the way that Luis teaches, you're like, okay, well, cool. Let me go down here to DL. And you're like, yeah, I love the way he teaches, right? So it's different teaching styles, of course. Everybody does not teach the same. But what you do have here is, instead of watching Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, I can name all of them because I do watch them as well. But I make sure I get in these first, because these right here, here's things that your TV got. 12 o'clock, 11 p.m., 12, midnight, all right? 2 p.m., 7 p.m., all times of the day. I can log in back here, watch a live educator. They can explain to me how these strategies work. As well, they will take trades with me. They literally tell you when to buy, when to sell, when to place their call, when to place their put, all right? Which is so powerful. Then as well, say for instance, I'm like, man, I still need a little more explanation. We have a whole academy geared towards learning binary options as well. So now you learn the fundamentals by going through the academy. Also as well, while you're doing that and you're watching the Go Live educators, you're coming over here to these simple scanners and you're earning income. You're earning income while you're learning, right? Because in the word learn is earn. And that's what you want to always be doing at all times. So this is some powerful stuff. So that is it, because I don't have to make these videos long, because you're simply copying and pasting. And then when you're ready to become independent, all you got to do is start watching our live educators and then trade with them and mark up these charts exactly how they're marking it up. So now you're able to do it on your own. You're able now to become your own scanner. Such powerful stuff. So that's it for now. For those of you that are like, hey, I'm loving this. I'm loving all the strategies that you've been showing lately, especially these copy and paste ones, and I need access right now. Make sure you go in the description of this video and you go ahead and schedule your free consultation, because I like to get on the phone with you and make sure that our academy is a good fit for you and that we can help each other reach our goals, right? Another thing as well, if you not have access to my WhatsApp group, links below. You don't have access to my 3-day training group, the links below. Make sure you take advantage of all this stuff, because man, you do not want to miss out on what's happening over the next 6 to 12 months. You don't. A lot of people missed out on the cryptocurrency. You still got time to get in. A lot of people are like, oh man, I didn't realize that Forex was so powerful and been around for hundreds of decades. You still got time. For those of you like, man, binary options, I've never really been able to grasp the concept of and never been able to win in it. This is your time. This is your time. Our academy has everything that you need. And remember, to learn how to trade, to do this, you need the proper mentors, you need the right mindset, and you need the tools. You need the tools, and we're providing all of that for you. So that is it now. I'm about to go knock out some trading, because I see this buy button forming here. I see this blue counter forming. So about to go do some trading right now. And look at that. Just right here. It's crazy. Right? It's just amazing how simple it can be with the right mentors, right tools, right mindset. So that is it for now. I will see you all in the next video. Stay blessed, stay prosperous, and never give up. Just keep at it. This stuff is not hard. You just got to be able to put the time aside to learn it. So I'll see you all in the next video. dream cards, right? Because we got to be able to dream. But you got to be able to touch it. You got to be able to feel it. You got to be able to smell it. Because it's coming to you, whatever it is. So whatever it is that you're dreaming for and hoping for and wishing for, go out there and find it. Find a picture of it. Not very many, unless you own Toshiba, LG, and those type of things, right? If not, your TV and that Netflix and Hulu or that cable is not making you money. It's better off. Look at this.
Yeah. You saw when it was in the middle line, you don't want to trade, right? You don't want to put in there because you don't know which one is going to go up or down. So you can go to another one.
How old are you, Dravis?
14.
14?
Yep.
If it, anytime it's in the middle, I want to put buy or sell because then they know what's missing. Yeah. So a new thing that I call it, in the middle, I call it a mystery buying. Okay. So in the middle, you don't know what about it. Yeah. Okay. So then basically, oh yeah. So they have like every time frame, like 15 minutes. I go between minutes.
Alright, so I got them. Share my screen. So I can be showing both of you all. So you see my screen?